I'm Taryn Rogers. I'm out at the LaBranch Wetlands today with a group of about 10 Valero volunteers. We're partnering with the Lake Pontchartrain Basin Foundation on a tree planting project. So we are in St. Charles Parish, where Valero has the St. Charles refinery in operations, and being environmentally friendly is part of Valero's mission. When we heard about the project, we just couldn't wait to get involved.
My name is John Lopez. I work for the Lake Pontchartrain Basin Foundation. I'm the director of the Coast and Community Program. So we're here to plant 500 cypress trees. About a mile that way is one of our hurricane protection levees. It protects St. Charles Parish. So it's very important that we rebuild this swamp in front of that levee. It helps protect the levee during a hurricane. It takes a lot of effort. A lot of people, a lot of different help. What we plant is small sapling trees. They're basically planted manually. So we need people to help plant the trees. We work with a lot of different industry, but Valero kind of stands out. You know, their employees care about this area just like we do.
One of my favorite things about volunteering is the camaraderie that it brings, and it brings folks from different departments collaborating together for one common goal.
My name is John Lopez, and I'm fueled by restoration.
My name is Taryn Rogers, and I'm fueled by community.